I can't get the LEDs to light. They won't go. They won't light. I wonder if I mixed up the capacitors. I don't remember which one is which. Alexa, can you help me?
Of course!
In this video, Alexa and I will teach you how to read the values on capacitors using these three examples.
As you can see on this capacitor, there are three different things labeled. There's the plus or minus 5%, which represents tolerance, and some letters, which are clearly not the capacitance, so the only thing left are the numbers is the number 100, so we know that must be the capacitance.
Capacitance is either measured in micro or picofarads, so the next thing we have to do is determine whether the 100 is in micro or pico. We know that this one has to be pico because if it was micro, it would be super big. 100 micro is way too big for a capacitor, therefore this one is 100 pico.
So this capacitor is really similar to the last one. Again, the percentage represents the tolerance, so the two numbers left are 0.1 and 100V. The 100V represents the voltage rating of the capacitor, so then 0.1 is our capacitance. And it has to be 0.1 microfarads because 0.1 pico would be way too small.
This capacitor is not only shaped different from the other ones, but its numbers are also represented differently. Here, the 105K represents both the capacitance and the tolerance. The K does not mean kilo for the capacitance, it represents the tolerance. The 105 is what we want to focus on.
For this kind of capacitor, the first two digits represents the capacitance and the third digit represents the order of magnitude. So this capacitor has a capacitance of 10 times 10 to the fifth, and this is in picofarads because otherwise it would be way too big. So this is 10 to the 6 picofarads or 1 microfarad. And again, the 100 here represents the voltage rating of this capacitor.